Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to teach you how to make a top low-carb bread, prepared with just a few ingredients, quick and super healthy. This recipe is perfect for people with diabetes because every component was carefully chosen with blood sugar control in mind. Let's discover the benefits of each ingredient while we prepare this amazing bread. We start with 2 eggs. They are a source of high-quality protein and contain almost no carbohydrates, which helps keep blood sugar stable. Our second ingredient is water, 4 tablespoons. It may look simple, but it's essential. It hydrates the dough, gives the right texture, and takes part in the body's metabolic processes. The third ingredient is olive oil, 1 tablespoon. It's one of the best sources of healthy fats, helps control cholesterol, protects the heart, and even reduces inflammation. Moving on to the fourth ingredient, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. It contains probiotics that help balance gut health, improving nutrient absorption and even blood sugar control. Our fifth ingredient is 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, which is rich in soluble fiber that slows down the absorption of sugar in the blood. The sixth ingredient is 1 tablespoon of flaxseed and chia flour mix. This mix provides both soluble and insoluble fiber, omega-3, and antioxidants, which reduce insulin resistance and improve the body's sensitivity to insulin. Next, we'll use just a pinch of salt. In small amounts, it enhances the flavor without harming your health. And finally, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Even though it doesn't add many nutrients, it makes our bread soft and fluffy. Mix everything until you get a smooth batter. If you'd like to add a filling, simply divide the batter in half, spread one part on the skillet, add your fillings such as vegetables, cheese, or chicken breast, and then cover with the rest of the batter. The best way is to do this before cooking. Grease the skillet with a drizzle of olive oil. Spread the batter evenly, making sure it's not too thick. Cook on low heat for about 2 minutes, then flip to the other side. And it's done. Our low-carb bread for diabetics is ready, nutritious, light, and prepared in just a few minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel Truths About Diabetes, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with anyone who also needs healthy and tasty options in their daily routine. See you in the next video.